These sunflower spritz cookies are simple to make, look fantastic, and I'm going to give you all the instructions and how to. Use a cookie press with my butter cookie spritz dough recipe. Press the sunflower shape out onto your baking sheets. Bake the cookies, and when they're finished, make a thin yellow glaze icing that you gently brush on with a silicone brush. When you have the cookies all coated, you're going to apply the sprinkles to the centers and leave the cookies on a drying rack and allow the icing to dry completely, even if that means overnight or 24 hours. These cookies are amazing, they taste great, and they're perfect for every celebration. So make some sunflower cookies for someone special today. For this and more recipes, check out my website, www.createdbydiane.com.